Hello friends, welcome to another amazing video of Canadian Nest. In today's video, we will be discussing about what is the total cost of Canada Express entry. In this video, we will discuss everything including from creating your profile till you land in Canada. So do watch till the end so that you could get a clear picture of how much cost will be required if you want to apply for Canada PR. Do subscribe to the channel as well, Canadian Nest, if you haven't subscribed yet, because every week I am creating videos and your support is very much required. Give your love, do like the videos. So in this video I will let you know how much cost it will take at every step of express entry, and in the end I will also let you know how much total cost is there for a single applicant, for a couple, or for a family with a kid. So do watch till the end. There are a few things. First, the estimation of total cost for immigrating to Canada depends on many factors. Total payments throughout will be made in two different currencies. The one would be your own country where you have to pay some fees at there, and the second would be Canadian dollars which you have to pay to the IRCC. As per the new regulations of April 2020, permanent resident processing fees for economic class applicants is being increased by 50%. RPRF fees is increased by 2%. Fees are expected to increase every 2 years in accordance with the Consumer Price Index in Canada. New fee change will occur and will be released in 2022. So step by step cost at various steps of express entry. So here I will be discussing single applicant's cost and with spouse. So the IELTS is currently in India, it's 14,000 for a single applicant. So if you are with your spouse, then you have to pay 28,000. The transcript fees is for degree which you need to get from your college or from your universities. So it's per degree transcript fees which you need to get. It generally costs around 3,000 and for spouse it will be 6,000. So the transcript fees varies as per your profession as well. The fee is generally around 1,500 to 2,000 in normal engineering colleges and universities. In medical profession this fee can go up to 5,000-6,000 as well. ECA fees. It's also per degree fees. You have to get your evaluation done. For WS, it's 12,100 to $20. So for spouse, it will be 24,200 Indian rupees. So after that, you have to do a standard delivery of the documents as well, and it's $10 for single, and with spouse, it's $20. International courier charges also you have to pay, so that is $85 for WS and for single applicant, and it's $170 for two applicants. So all the above steps were pre-ITA phase. Now with all these things you create a profile that is totally free. After that you receive an ITA that is also free. After that the post-ITA phase starts. The first document is PCC. Per person it costs 500 rupees. One thing is there, if you have stayed for more than 6 months at any other place or any other country, you have to get that PCC from there also, and that will additionally cost you. Medicals, the currently fees is around 5,000 per applicant. With spouse it will be 10,000. For child it could be like 2-3,000. The medical fees can vary according to cities. Some private institutions they charge you extra if you have tattoos on your body. So if you have tattoo then the fees could be 2-3,000 more per applicant. Moving to the next one, it's marriage certificate. For single applicant it's not required. For spouse it will take around 1,000 rupees in India. For economic business classes the application fee is $1,575. So that is roughly around 86,000 in India for single applicant. The business class people are those who fall into the category of like startup visa, Quebec visa, other type of those visas. With spouse if you apply that will be 250 rupees. So for economic non-business class, these are those like FSW, FST and CEC people of express entry. For them, the application fee would be 45,375, roughly $825. And with spouse, it will become 90,750. And for every additional child, you have to pay $225. So that is roughly around 12,000 rupees. After that, there is one fee, RPRF fees. This is also per applicant you have to pay. It's a right to permanent residence fee, and it's $500 right now, and that is 27,500 in Indian rupees. So with spouse it becomes $1,000 and 55,000 rupees Indian. So this RPRF fees you can pay later also, or you can pay while submitting your application along with application fee. So it's up to you. Biometric fee, it's $85 per applicant, so it's roughly around 4,600 rupees, and for spouse it will become 9,350. After that, the proof of funds. For single applicant, you have to show around 12,960. So that comes to 7,12,000 rupees approx. For spouse, the amount becomes $16,000 approx, 8,87,000 rupees. So it's better you show these proof of funds little more than that, because conversion rate varies. So it's better to show a little more amount than that, which is mentioned in the proof of funds section. $100-$200 more, at least show that much more. The next fees is your flights. So generally you can get cheap flights around 45,000, 50,000 per head. This cost can also vary depending on what type of flight you are taking. Either it's a direct flight, or it's a one-stop flight, two-stop flight. So after doing all this, the final cost which comes for express entry is, for single applicant, it will be around 8,75,000, including your flights and everything till you land there. So that is roughly around 16,000 Canadian dollars. For two applicants, it will be 12,13,000 approx. So that is $22,000 Canadian. For three applicants, including spouse and a kid, it will come around 13,50,000, $24,500. If you are applying through PNP also, PNPs have their additional cost which you have to pay apart from these express entry costs. So PNP cost is additional to you. Every province has a different cost for application. It's mainly for primary applicant, this PNP, so it will not change with spouse. For OINP, that is Ontario province, you have to pay $1,500, that is 82,000 rupees. So for SINP, that is Saskatchewan, it will be $350, that is 19,250 roughly. For BCPNP, it's British Columbia, so there you have to pay $700, that is 38,500 rupees. And then for AINP, it's Alberta Immigration Nominee Program. There is no cost as such for their application, but you only have to pay the express entry fees. So these are the total costs right now, which are the minimum costs you will be paying. Apart from that, these costs can vary while you are preparing for IELTS. If you have joined some coaching center or something, then that cost will be additional. Or if you are giving 2 or 3 attempts of IELTS or self-pip, that cost will be additional. This process is whole simple here. I have explained everything here. You can check other videos to know how to apply and everything. Here I am talking only about the cost. So apart from these costs, the consultant usually charge 1.5 to 2 lakh. So that could be saved because everything is available here only. I am telling you in these videos, and you can check my other videos as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this one. Do let me know in the comment section how you find this video, and do subscribe to the channel Canadian Nest if you haven't subscribed yet, so that I can keep bringing such videos to you. Your support is very much needed, so please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.